Hello everyone, it's a few days after the Super Bowl and it's still a great week if you are a fan of the Philadelphia Eagles. About 20 years ago, another legend from Pennsylvania taught us a little bit about the brain, and I'd like to tell you about it. So back in 2002, a Nigerian-American neuropathologist named Dr. Bennett Omalu was examining the brain of Mike Webster, a legend from the Pittsburgh Steelers. Webster played for 17 years, which is crazy considering the average career span is about 3.3 years. Webster, after his career, was experiencing memory loss, mood swings, and overall cognitive deficits before passing at the age of 50. Omalu, examining his brain, found a multitude of minor injuries, subconcussive injuries, and also the buildup of tau proteins, an excess of which typically indicates neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's. This was the first recorded case of what would be called CTE, chronic traumatic encephalopathy. Of course, boxers had experienced similar symptoms, but this was the first official case. 2 years later, the NFL published in a journal that NFL players were essentially had evolved to be concussion resistant, which is incredible. Fast forward to 2017, researchers at Boston University were examining the brains of 111 NFL players. How many of them had CTE? 110. One of them was named Aaron Hernandez, who very famously was convicted of murder and then committed suicide in his jail cell. So, the whole idea is fascinating when you put it all together. The concept that with a career of 3.3 years, even though the average game lasts about 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, the actual game time, active game time, is about 15 minutes. So you put that all together, it just reminds you of how brutal this sport is and how clear that it's the modern day gladiators. So I hope you enjoyed it.